Today we're gonna fix Nintendo Switch audio problems, whether you have no sound, crackling, static, or audio cutting out. This can happen because of software hiccups, Bluetooth pairing issues, or HDMI output settings. Don't worry, each fix is simple and I'll walk you through every step. So let's get into the fixes. Solution 1. Check volume and mute settings. First, open up the volume up button on the top of your console. It's a small plus button next to the power button. Make sure it's not accidentally turned all the way down. People accidentally mute their devices, so it's best to manually increase the volume to rule out mistakes. Solution 2. Disable lower max headphone volume settings. Go to your home screen, open System Settings. Now scroll down to System. Find the setting called Lower Max Headphone Volume. If it's on, toggle it off. This feature limits the maximum volume, especially with headphones. Turning it off allows full volume again. Solution 3. Check if headphones are plugged in or detected. If there's no sound from the speakers, make sure there's nothing plugged into the headphone jack. Sometimes the Switch thinks headphones are connected even when they are not. Try plugging in headphones and unplugging them again. If you're on wireless earbuds or a speaker, go to System Settings. Find Bluetooth Audio. Select your device and choose Disconnect. Then unpair. Turn off your headphones, power them back on, and put them in pairing mode. On your Switch, go back to Bluetooth Audio and select Pair Device or similar options. Select your device from the list and pair. Now check if the audio plays smoothly. Reboot and retry your audio. Even if there is no update available, restart your Switch by holding the power button. Once it restarts, your problems should be fixed. And that's how you can fix Nintendo Switch audio problems step by step. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button. And make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.